Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord that it is not launching. In 3 methods are easy and simple. First of it, like you just need to go on the right click here and then go for task manager. After the task manager is opened, just go for the search and get Discord. If you find this Discord that's still not launching, just end task after selecting it. The method 2, which is Windows Air, to get this pop-up, and then you need to press app data. After getting app data consumptions, all what you need to go, which is roaming, then you would search for Discord, and then you will just clear the cache, just select it, and control select GPU cache, and after that you just only you need to do, which is the delete. The third and the last option, after doing all this stuff, after all this thing, and still Discord is not launching, all what you need to do, guys, is just go for settings, then go for apps, then go for install and apps, then here search about Discord. After you find it, just go for 3 dots, then install, and after that you just install it once again. I hope you like the video, guys. Please subscribe and like and share the video. Peace.